Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Millionaire Club. If you're ready to turn your Instagram passion into profits, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate guide on how to earn money through Instagram, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your income. From becoming an influencer to selling your own products, we've got all the tips and strategies you need to start making money on the gram. So, grab a notebook and let's get into it. 1. Build a strong and engaged following. The first step to making money on Instagram is to build a strong, engaged following. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about and create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key. Post regularly and interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages. The more engaged your audience, the more attractive you'll be to brands and potential partners. Tips to grow your following. Use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility. Collaborate with other influencers or brands. Engage with your audience by hosting Q&A sessions, polls, and giveaways. 2. Become an influencer and partner with brands. One of the most popular ways to earn money on Instagram is by becoming an influencer. Influencers are individuals who have a significant following and the ability to influence their audience's purchasing decisions. Brands are willing to pay influencers to promote their products or services. How to get started? Focus on a niche and become an expert in that area. Build a media kit showcasing your follower demographics, engagement rates, and past collaborations. Reach out to brands directly or join influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ, Tribe, or Upfluence to find partnership opportunities. 3. Create sponsored content. Sponsored posts are one of the most common ways influencers earn money on Instagram. In a sponsored post, a brand pays you to create and share content featuring their product or service. The key to successful sponsored content is to ensure it aligns with your personal brand and resonates with your audience. Tips for creating effective sponsored content. Be authentic and choose brands that you genuinely believe in. Disclose sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. Focus on storytelling rather than just advertising a product. 4. Sell your own products or services. Instagram is an excellent platform to sell your own products or services. Whether you have a physical product, digital product, or service to offer, Instagram's visual nature makes it ideal for showcasing your offerings. Steps to sell on Instagram. Set up an Instagram shop to sell physical products directly through the platform. Use Instagram stories and reels to demonstrate your products in action. Utilize the swipe up feature in stories, available to accounts with 10K plus followers, to drive traffic to your website or online store. 5. Use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products from other companies and earning a commission on sales generated through your unique affiliate link. Instagram is a great platform for affiliate marketing, especially if you have a highly engaged following. How to succeed in affiliate marketing? Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche, example Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or Commission Junction. Share honest reviews and recommendations, and always disclose your affiliate relationships. Include your affiliate links in your bio, stories, or swipe up links to drive traffic. 6. Offer Instagram coaching or consulting. If you've successfully grown your Instagram account, you can leverage your expertise to offer coaching or consulting services. Many businesses and individuals are willing to pay for guidance on how to grow their presence on Instagram. How to start? Create a service package that outlines what clients can expect from your coaching or consulting. Promote your services through your Instagram account, showcasing testimonials and case studies from previous clients. Offer free webinars or workshops to attract potential clients. 7. Monetize your content with IGTV ads and badges. Instagram offers built-in monetization options such as IGTV ads and badges in live videos. Creators can earn a share of the revenue generated from ads that appear in their IGTV videos or from badges purchased by viewers during live streams. Getting started. Ensure your account meets the eligibility requirements for IGTV ads and badges. Create high-quality, engaging video content that keeps viewers coming back. Promote your IGTV videos and live sessions to maximize views and engagement. 8. Create and sell digital products. Instagram is an excellent platform for selling digital products, such as ebooks, presets, online courses, or printables. Digital products can be a lucrative source of passive income once they are created. Steps to sell digital products. Identify a problem your audience faces and create a digital product that provides a solution. Promote your digital product through Instagram posts, stories, and paid ads if necessary. Use Instagram's bio link to direct followers to a landing page where they can purchase your digital product. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found these Instagram money-making tips useful, give this video a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Millionaire Club and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's keep building that digital empire together.